To enable and use the assistant menu feature on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility. Tap interaction and dexterity. And then tap the gray on option next to assistant menu. A pop-up appears to inform you about the permission needed by this feature. Tap allow to continue enabling the assistant menu feature. When the assistant menu feature is on, your phone will display a movable floating assistant menu contained with easy to reach buttons that let you replace hard keys, gesture, and other command interaction. As the example, you can do the home button function by tapping the assistant menu and then tap home. If needed, you can customize the assistant menu to fit with your need. To do so, tap the assistant menu. Swipe the menu to the left or right to find menu setting. Tap menu setting. Here you can select which item you like to display on the assistant menu. Select which app you like to show contextual menu. Select assistant menu shortcut. Adjust the assistant menu size and else. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.